Online people are able to see my screen? Okay. What is the last concept? Web to lead. Okay. I already shared the documentations, guys. Did you see that? Check it. Now, mouse open the desktop. Desktop. Yeah. Desktop. So as of now, whatever done already, I already shared the document, guys. Okay. Now, okay. So yesterday we discussed about what is that? Different websites. We need to put it our script and anybody enter the data, right? That data we are capturing in the lead. That's the reason we called web to lead. Same like web to case also. Okay. So one more scenario. Yeah. First, understand how the business should be. For example, call center, right? Every business call center is there, right? So in our case, Apple customer care. Okay. Apple customer care. Here in the Apple point of view, how many people will be available, guys? So Apple people supporting India, Japan, China, every country, there is a call centers are there. Supporting people are there. That means, guys, if you are understand this concept is very, very easy. But all the people saying that just what is the headings? If you are clubbed together, it's very, very easy. Okay. Just whenever I'm saying anything, that story you can remember it. So that concept is very easy. Okay. So this is the Apple customer care. For example, this is the guy. Okay. He's a customer. He's a customer. His mobile is not working. Now he want to raise the case. He want to raise the case. He is going to Apple website and web 2 case. He is entering their data and case has been created here. So now this case has been created in the Apple customer care in which object? Case object. In case object, it is created. For example, okay. So who is the contact person? Which account? What is the case subject? It is a status new. It is a priority. What is the case origin? Case origin means, for example, I want to inform to the customer care, right? So how many ways we can inform it? First is through web to case. Go to the respective website. I'm entering, hey, this is so and so. This is the problem, and enter it. Then this data will be created as a case here. So that is the web. Understand? This is we already covered in the web to lead concept. Second one is I'm directly calling customer care. For example, Airtel or Jio, the net is not working. Then we are directly calling to the customer care. In that case, that guy lift the call and manually that guy, hey, what is the problem? Internet issue, blah, blah, blah. He's entered the data. What is your contact name? What is your account? Blah, blah, blah. He's entered. So the second origin is, what is that? Through phone. Through phone. Understand? First one is, I'm going to website and entering the data. That is created as a case in the Apple customer care. Second one is I'm directly calling. Okay. So, for example, these two areas, for example, I am creating one case, guys. I'm creating one case here in the website. That case will, I am in India. But Apple point of view, these people are customer care centers in all over India, all over cities, right? Not only all over India, all over world. Why? Apple is a global product, right? Those people not supporting only India or US. So that means these people having different teams. This is India customer care. This is this team will be handled. What is the US customer care? Like that, all over world, these people having the so many customer care call center, customer care centers. Okay. Now, for example, in India, 1,000 people are there. In US, 5,000 people are there. In Japan, 800 people or 2,000 people are there, for example. Understand? These are the employees, right? Whenever any case is coming, this case first understand the business. This case he is from India, but this case is created in here, created directly in the org. For example, case number 001. Now the problem is this case, who will handle? Why? Who will handle? This is the India related case. That means you need to route this case to India people. Understand? So different people, these people are not using different applications. Only single application, single Salesforce application case has been created. If it is an India case, routing to India customer care. If it is a China case, routing to, Japan case, routing to Japan, assigned to Japan customer care people. Understand what I'm saying? Then it is very easy. Why? For example, this customer is India. We are assigning to, what is that? Japan. How the Japan people are contact to India? These guys don't know English. This guy don't know Japanese. Understand? So that is the reason in the business point of view, first, these people are the Geo people or Airtel or global related. Okay. These people are categorized the, what about that set of people in the different locations. Understand? Set of people in the different locations. So this is one group, India group. This is US group. This is Japan group. Understand? So first, whenever case is coming, how to assign it, that is a different story. Whenever case is coming, first, who will handle this case? Actually, particular person handle that case. But that person belongs to which group? So that is the reason in the real-time business, in the practical scenario, all the people saying normal way, but in the practical scenario, if you are understand the case, so this is the case 1027. For example, case has been created. Okay. This case, who is the owner? Who is the owner here? Naresh. But whenever case has been created, we are not assigned to Naresh. First, we are assigned to particular group. Which group? For example, this guy belongs to which country? Where is the country information? In this case, where is the country information will be there? You know already if you are practicing it. In this case, how do you know this guy belongs to which country? Which guy? This case belongs to which person? This case belongs to which person, guys? Peter. In the contact, that means this case belongs to Peter. Within the Peter, what is that? Country is there? US. That means, how mobile number, man? That means every case contact is there. Within the contact, you know, it is a personal information. That guy belongs to which address? He belongs to US. Oh, then see, mailing country is US. Oh, then this case is belongs to US related case. Then you are assigned this case to whom? You are assigned this case to whom? US people. Not particular person. You need to assign to particular group, particular team. Understand? Particular team. So here, this is this set of people. First of all, what I will do, categorized set of people into one group. So these 1,000 people, Indian customer care group. These 5,000 US customer care people. These 2,000 Japan. So that is the reason in the Salesforce given one concept called, so to, what is that? Add, group the multiple people. That is called public groups. Public groups. Public group means one group of people. Group of people is called public group, guys. Group of people means these 1,000, which group you need to create? India, public group. 5,000, US group. What is that? 2,000, Japan group. First, I am creating all the employees into the, split into the multiple groups. That is called public group. Understand why we are using groups? Understand, guys? For example, one more real-time scenario, guys. For example, you are working with one company, for example, Cognizant. Okay, so your HR will be sending the mail to all the Cognizant people, Hyderabad Cognizant people. In that case, in the Hyderabad Cognizant, how many people are there? 5,000 people are there. That means she is added one by one mail ID into the two address. No, all the mail IDs put it in one group. That means created one group mail ID, Hyderabad @Cognizant. Within the Hyderabad mail ID, all the persons are available. In that case, that mail is called, what is that? A group mail. Understand? Here, like that same concept here, different regions, I am creating that employee, put it in one group. Understand? Why? Why? Because, see, once, for example, I am creating one group. What is that here? India group, or US group, or Japan group. 3 groups are created. Whenever someone create the case based on the country, oh, this guy is US, then I want to assign the owner is US group, US customer care group. Within the customer care, how many people are there? 5,000. Who were having the bandwidth, who were having the time, that guy will be, what is that? Grab it. Understand? We'll see. First, I will create the public group. I don't want to create multiple groups. First, I want to create the public group. Understood what is meant by public group, online people? Why we are using public group? Simple. Categorize the multiple users into one group. Understand? Understand, guys? In the, for example, in the BTech college, all, and what is that? IT people is one group. All EC people is one group. All mechanical people is one group. That is, what is the group name? IT first year, ECA second year. That is one group, guys. Understand? Here also different in the real-time example. What is that? All the employees based on the category, I am creating the multiple groups. So in that case, we are using this public group concept. Okay? Yes. Understand, right? The remaining people online, please reply it. Okay? Yeah. Now, First, I will create. I don't want to create multiple groups. I want to create one group, one or two groups. Okay. What is that? What is the concept name? Public groups. See, manage users. Managing the users. User nothing but employees. Okay. Manage public group. What is a group? See here, a public group is a set of users. That's it. Set of users, nothing but set of employees or whatever it may be. Click on new. What is the group name? I want to create two groups only, India and US. Okay, I don't want to create multiple. What is that? India customer care. India customer care. Okay, group. India customer care group. AP name is this. Now, don't record this. Okay. Now, within the India, how many people are there? 1,000 users are there. 1,000 employees, nothing but in our point of Salesforce point of view, users. But here 1,000 users are there in our org. In the real time, it is possible. Here, how many users are there? Actual users. In our case, these are the users. But within these these users, only Naresh and Peter, these are the actual users. The remaining all are dummy. So what I will do, see here, public group here, select users. These roles I will tell you in the last, not now, in the security users. See, all users are coming. Okay. So in the India, which user is belongs to, which employees are belongs to India customer care. For example, Peter and this integration user, these three people are belongs to, out of 5 people, what is that? These 3 people are belongs to, what is that? India customer care group. I am giving, what is that? You are the BTech ECE student. How we are giving the BTech ECE student? You are belongs to that group. I am creating one group. The group name is India. Understand? These all people are employees. What is it? Customer care employees. So all people are coming. So in this group belongs to which people? Okay, Peter is belongs to India. This guy is belongs to India. I am assuming it. These 3 people are belongs to India. Okay, save it. That means in the India customer care, how many people are there? 3 members. Now create one more, US. One more. I am creating one more group. What is the group name? US. In the US, already Peter already done, huh? Peter integration security. Peter integration security. Okay, Naresh and SFDC. These 2 people are belongs to US, assuming it. So I have 5 employees. 5 employees, 3 employees are belongs to India. 2 employees belongs to, we are assigning to US. Hey guys, whenever, okay, you both are belongs to US customer care group. Okay, so that means in our developer edition, 5 users are there. Within the 5 users, 3 are dummy. Leave it. But in India customer care, 3 members are there. In US, 2 members are there. Okay. So now, what is that? What is the definition? A public group is set of users. Yes, in India, set of users, 3 members are there. In US, 2 members are there, like that. So you are categorized. Okay. Now, Peter belongs to which group? India, I don't know. Now, for example, Peter is an employee. Peter belongs to which group? India. Naresh belongs to which group? US. Understood? So total employees we are distributed different groups. Understand? Clear as of now, online people? Guys, say yes or no, guys. In the last, don't again tell you guys are told. Can you please repeat again? Huh? Repeat again is a very simple word, but I know the what is the pain. Huh? Yeah. Okay. So group is public groups are done. Very, very simple. Set of users are categorize the set of users in the categorize the set of users is called public groups. So the real time in the interview, those people are asking, can you please tell me one real time example when to use, where to use public groups? You can tell that, hey, in one of my project, what is that? What is that? Resolve the cases, the different regions. In that case, we are categorized the users into different regions. In that case, we are creating the public groups. That's it. Understand? See guys, concept is same, but asking the question and the answer is different. What is public group? What is a public group? Public group nothing but a set of users. Everybody knows. And why? Because all the people having the notes is the same. What is the line? Set of users are called public group. But in the real time, how the people are asking, can you tell me the when to use public groups? In that case, you can tell the answer, hey, in my project, what is that? We need to handle multiple cases in the different regions. In that case, we are categorized these users into multiple groups. One is US, one is India, one is China, blah, blah. In that case, I am using these public groups. That is the real-time answer. That is the only difference, learning and what is that? Practical example. Understand, guys? Now, two groups are ready. Okay. These people, what these people do, guys? What these people are doing? Problem solving. What is the problem here? Cases, right? Cases. So that means these people resolve the cases. Resolve the cases. That means, try to understand. That means India customer care people resolve the cases. That means these people resolving the cases. Again, US people also resolving the cases. Japan people also resolving the cases. Now, these people clearly knows what is their role. What is the problems these people are doing. What is that? These people always working with the cases. Not leads, not accounts, not what is that other data. Understand? What is the purpose of these people? These people purpose is to resolve the cases. Their goal is someone creating the case, then these people resolve the cases. That means these people are working on what is that? Cases. That means these people knows which data these people are working. Which data? Case data. So in that case, so here Peter is a person, right? In this group already there. For example, sir, how do you know that person details are already saved in the system when given the complaint? Madam, did you practice that sales application? How do you know, guys? For example, this case is created. This case is created. How we are getting this contact information? For example, this case is created. How we are getting the contact information? The contact information, how to it is stored? In the sales application. For example, I am purchasing the Apple mobile. I am calling to Samsung. My information will be there. In the sales application, lead is there. Lead converting to account and contact. My contact information already there. Whenever you raise the case, that guy is first asking, hey, can you please give me your mobile number or tell me your name? What is your name? For example, that guy say that Tim Bear. Tim is checking. Tim contact is existing or not. Yes, Tim is there. Oh, that means he is valid customer. Then she or he raised the ticket. I told you from starting onwards, all are linking. All are linking in the already sales application. Lead is coming, lead converting account and contact. That means your information already there in their system. Whenever you are raise the complaint, at that time these people are checking your contact information is there or not. Like this. Understand, Sarika? So now, where I am? Yeah. So here, India public group. India public group will be resolving what? Cases. Which data? Case data. Okay. 1 second, guys. So this India public group people, what is that? Resolve the cases. For example, that means India public group, within that, who are there? Users are there, employees are there. So the people information and these people are working on which data? Case data. This set is called queue. Which persons are working on which data? Which persons are working on which data? That is called queue. Understand? Understand? Queue is a one more concept. Queue nothing but. Queue nothing but. What is that? Which people are working on which data? That is called queue. Understand? Queue nothing but which people are working on which data. That is called queue. Understand, guys? Here, these persons are there, but these people don't know which data these people are working. Then what is the use of this public group? Understand? This user is there, customer care guy is there. For example, he is a Peter. Peter don't know which data he is working. In that case, what is the use of that guy? So that is the reason, hey, I am hiring 1,000 members. Why I am hiring? Hey guys, I'm giving the role. Hey guys, you 1,000 people are resolve the cases. Then those people understand, oh, my job is to resolve the cases. Understand? In that case, what is that? These people knows which data he is working. This set is called queue. Which queue? India people working on India cases. That's the reason this queue name is, I'm creating one queue name is India queue. Same like US public group or US users working on case. That means I'm creating US queue, Japan queue. Understand? Now, please try to understand every queue. Two informations are there. What is that? Which people are in that queue? Which groups are in that queue? Those people working on which data? The set is called queue. Public group means only set of users. Queue means set of users plus which data. For example, in the starting, yes, in the starting, in the sales cloud, sales application, what is the lead, right? Leaders. The sales people contact to the leads. Hey, can you please purchase my product? In that case, those people are working with lead data. Which people? That India sales people, sales group. In that case, I'm creating India sales group. These people are working with lead. In that case, this set is called what? India sales queue. Understand? Queue nothing but set of, what is that? Users plus which data? Understand? which persons are working on which data. That information is called queue. Okay, so I am creating one queue. Which queue? India queue and US queue. Okay, now go to queue. Queue nothing but which information is there? Which not on public groups, users also, user plus public groups. So which persons are working on which data? So go to queues. Now here see, first India queue. India customer care queue. See queue email. Queue email nothing but a group email. Okay, that is the send email to members. I will tell you what is the use of this. Now see here, what I already told you. Queue nothing but which data, which persons. See here, which data this queue is handling. Which data? Case data. Queue members, which people are working on cases? These people, you can add individual users or public groups. I'm adding, what is that? India customer care group. Within the India customer care group, already 3 or 4 users are there. So now, as per definition, I told you this is the queue. Within the queue, which data, which people are handling. Save it. What is that? Indian customer care queue. This is the one queue. These people are handling cases. Understand? Same like that. What is that? One more. US customer care group, not group, queue. Which data these people are handling? Case data. If it is the sales people, lead data. Understand? If it is a hospital people, patient data. Something like that. Which persons? Already I am creating the set of people. The set of people is group. Which group? Okay. 1 second, guys. Okay, guys. See, click on save. Okay. So India customer care queue, US customer care queue. 2 queues are there. Now, see guys, whenever any case is created, one guy is calling. Okay. For example, Naresh is login user, right? Naresh is a customer care guy. He belongs to which queue? Not queue, leave it. First of all, one guy is, the customer is calling, hey, I have a issue. So my product is issue. So the customer care guy already opened this org, right? This guy, hey, what is your name? My name is Tim. Tim. Oh, this guy information already there. Okay, tell me your problem. She or he, the customer care guy, open the cases. Already contact information is there. That means he's a valid user. Next, he's a, what is the contact? Tim. See, whenever Tim is added, automatic account is populated. This is a new case. Priority, what is the problem? He's saying that my iPhone power button issue. My iPhone power button is not working. So description, the customer is saying something, blah, blah, blah. She or he added the description. Now, what is that? Priority, it is the highest priority, high priority. This case is, what is the origin? That guy is calling. Because of that guy call, I am creating the case. The customer care guy creating the case. Origin is phone. Understand? Origin is phone. Now type. These all don't require. Okay, it is electrical, right? Electronics. Why? Because it's a mobile. And case reason. What is the problem? Equipment design, breakdown, performance, installation, equipment for performance, for example, iPhone. Okay. Now this guy save it. Whenever this guy is saved, what is the owner? Who is the owner? Case owner, Naresh. Why? Naresh is created. Okay, but Naresh, he is not a, what is that? Employee, not employee, he is not customer care guy. He just create the case. Okay, whenever phone is coming, he create the case. Now Naresh assign this case to, oh, this guy belongs to, which guy? This guy belongs to US. US means I am assigning this case to USQ. Change owner, not user. Why? If you are assigned to particular guy, that guy maybe or that guy in already working with some other cases. That's the reason these people are assigned the queue. See, which queue? His US. That means he is assigning to US customer care queue. And send email notification. What is meant by that? In US customer care queue, how many people are there? Two people are there. Whenever this guy click on this and save it in the US customer care queue, what is that? One US customer care group is there. Within the group, 2 members are there. In the real time, for example, 1,000 members are there. All the people getting the notification, all the people getting the mail. Hey, so and so case is in your queue. Please check out. Understand? Please check out. One second. Yeah. Now see, case owner is US customer care queue. Case owner is US customer care queue. That means the case is in the queue. Now, for example, Ashok is a. So how many members are there in this queue members? 2 members. In the real 1,000 members are there. Whoever having the bandwidth, that guy login. For Naresh. Naresh login. Okay. I have a bandwidth. Now he is changing the owner to Naresh. Understand? Now he is changing the owner to Naresh. Now within the queue, who grabbed this case? Naresh. Naresh is the responsible. So directly the case is not assigned to particular person. Assigned to particular queue. Within the queue, who is having the bandwidth, that guy will be grabbing it. For example, okay, even though the queue, within the queue, the case is there. Nobody will grab it. But we have a performance, right? In end of the month, we have a target. Customer care people are, there is a target. What is that? Within the 1 month, you need to resolve 1,000 cases. Otherwise, your performance will be decreased. The salaries and blah, blah, blah will be cutting. That's the reason everybody grab the cases. Now, here, for example, Peter, for example, okay, he is India, for example. India, nothing but, see here, we are getting the notification, right? See, case notification. This is called email template. It's standard email template, text template. Okay. Here, what is that? Case 0001028 has been assigned to you. You means what is that? In the queue. Why? Because why this guy is coming? This guy already in that queue. One notification is coming. He is open that. What is the queue? Oh, 1001028 case. Okay. Now he changed the owner and grab it. Understand? Understand? Not himself, man. Okay. Here we don't have user. For example, this guy is India. This guy is India. Okay. India means India queue. Automatically it is assigned to India queue. Now in the India queue, who is that? Peter is there. Peter opened that case. Okay. Then he is changing that India customer care queue. Which persons are there? Peter is there. Now he's changing that. Okay, I have a time. The Peter is changing that. I will take care of this. Save it. First, the case is going to queue. Within the queue, who are having the bandwidth, that guy will be grabbed. So now that guy is a, what is that? That guy is responsible for that case. Okay? Yeah. So this is the way of, what is that? Doing the case handling. Whenever first here first I am creating multiple groups. Group nothing but public group. Group nothing but set of users. So in all over world, for example, the Apple customer care, so the total in India 1000 people are there. In US 5000 people are there. In Japan 2000 people are there. First, all employees and categorized multiple groups. Okay, India group. So I am creating India group like this. But within the group, how many members are there? 1000. In our case, 3 members are there. Now, what is the purpose of these people? This group of people, what they did? They did handling the cases. That means which persons or which group of users handling which data, that is called queue. So that is the reason, what is that? That is the reason. Guys, in middle of something, please don't ping me. Okay. I told you so many times, guys, again and again. I'm already working on what I already explained one concept. Again, you guys are asking another concept. If you are asking same thing, I ignore your comments, guys. Please. It is waste of my time. I'm unable to concentrate on that. Why? Because if someone having some issue, I'm just seeing your comments. What is it? Okay, this guy didn't understand. Again, I will explain that. You are asking again one more concept. Please wait, guys. Why are you asking again and again? I'm telling like more than so many times, right? I am explaining that what is the public groups, queues, lead, how the people are, what is that, handling the cases. That scenario I explained. You guys are asking some other, what is that, other concept. You are asking flows. Flows is, I told you, like, what is that, more than 100 times. Flows is a lost concept. Please concentrate on the existing concept. Okay? Don't ask me again and again, guys, please. Why? Because this is so much of disturbance for other people. Whatever concept I explain, if you are any problem, please ask me. I will explain you again. Don't ask me other concepts. In the end of the course, if I miss anything, then you can ask me. Why you are not? What is that? Telling this. Don't ask me other concepts. Please. Whatever concept I explain, please ask me that concept. End of the session. End of the session means end of the course completion. If I miss anything, then you can ask me. Okay? Yeah. This is the last time, guys. Again and again, don't ask me why, because I saw the comments, guys. Whenever I saw the comments, whatever I explained, I forgot that. It is very impact to other people. What is that? I'm not unable to concentrate on that, the current concept. So I'm not practicing, guys, in the what is the home. I'm practicing the entire concept and come here and explain that. I'm not like that. On the fly, whatever real-time concepts are coming, I will explain you. First of all, I need to think myself. What is the best example I will give to you? Then you can understand, right? If it is a what is it book reading, I will what is it read that document and come to here explain that. But it is not like that. So on the fly in the back end, my mind back end, I want to what is that gather that that's perfect example. So that's the reason I have two brains. One is explanation, one is in the back end. I want to which example is suitable for this concept. So please. Okay, where I am. Q. So first, what is that? I am creating the public group. What is the public group? Public group nothing but based on the business. For example, here, what is that? Apple support. For example, Airtel customer care. Airtel customer care all over India. For example, all over what is that? India, guys. India, different states. So I am creating what is that? Telangana customer care, AP customer care, Gujarat customer care. Like that, I'm creating multiple groups. In Hyderabad employees are I'm adding that group. In Telangana, for example, in Gujarat related people are I'm adding here. So different employees I am categorized and put it in one group. In that case, I am using concept called public group. Public group nothing but set of users. Simple set of users. Why you are categorized? To handle the data. Which data? If you are customer care, case data. If it is sales process, lead data. Understand you need to. If what is that? Marketing process, lead data. If it is sales, opportunity data, right? Understand? So different. If it is a hospital, what is the hospital data? You need patient data. You need to handle that. For example, some patient having some issue. For example, you are discharged. So then you are in what is that? You are in village, but you are in Hyderabad. The treatment already over in the Hyderabad. In that case, again you need some documentations. In that case, you are not. What about that? Reach to Hyderabad again and again. You are calling to the so and so customer care. Those people will be checking your data and which data, patient data, that patient is there or not. Okay, then okay, what is the problem? I want say discharge summary. I forgot that. Can you please help me? That guy sending the document. So in that case, that customer care, Apollo customer care people handling the patient data. That means Apollo India public group. These people handle which group? Which data? Patient. So patient plus this group that is called Q. Understand? So here, what is that? Apple customer care. These people are handling India cases. So here Q nothing but which people are handling which data. That is called Q. Which people are handling which data. Now come to here. Now in the real-time scenario, in the first use case, someone calling to the phone. To the, what is that? Customer care. Which customer care? Apple customer care. Now, one of the guy receiving the call. Hey, can you tell me what is your problem? First, hey, my name is so and so. Then immediately the customer care guy checking that guy name is there or not. For example, here that guy is a David. So first, David. David contact is there or not? Yes, David. To David. See, David is there. Open that. Tell me what is your problem. So my iPhone is not working. Can you please help me? Okay, wait. These people are creating one case. Contact name. What is that? David. Automatically account is coming. It is a new case. It's not that much of priority. It is a medium case origin phone. Okay. Now subject. iPhone screen issue. Okay. That's it. Save it. Case is created. Now this case is belongs to David is belongs to India, for example. Now he is assigned to Q. Which Q? Which Q? He is from India, for example. India Q. That means this case is handled by India customer care Q. Within the India customer care, how many people are there? 3 or 4 people are there. Those people getting the notification. One of the guy open that case. For example, here that guy name is user. One guy is whenever, for example, Naresh. Whenever Naresh is open that, okay, one case is in that queue. Okay, this is the queue. Now, what is the problem? iPhone screen issue. Okay, I will handle that. Now, immediately change the owner to Naresh. Naresh. Save it. Now, Naresh is the owner of this case. Now, Naresh is resolved. So, in that case, we are using from here to here, whenever someone is calling, the case is going to particular queue. Within the queue, public group and data is there. So that queue we are assigning to specific user. The respective user grab it and change the manually the user. Okay, guys. So in that case, we are using what? Public group concept and queue concept. Understand? So here, yeah, that is the next concept, Chandrika. I will tell you. So for example, guys, the pain point. What is the pain point? For example, this is the case. This is the case. Someone calling, guys. Someone calling means this guy is created the, for example, manually created this case, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Save it. Case origin is phone. Save it. Whenever I save it, what is that owner? Who is the owner? Naresh. But every time Naresh is the owner, then after that Naresh is going to the lobby and check the he belongs to which country. He's in India, then he's changing manually. That process I want to make it automation. What is the automation? If you click on save, here runtime engine, go to contact. Which contact? Which contact? This lobby. Where is the contact? Go to lobby and check the country. What is the country? Mailing country not there. For example, he's India. Okay. Check the, oh, he's India. Now, whenever you are creating the case, I am telling to runtime engine, I don't want to assign this case owner to particular queue. Okay. I want to automate the process. Automate the process means if I click on save, here runtime engine, go to this contact and check he belongs to which country. What is the contact? This is the contact. He belongs to which country? India. Then runtime engine, hey runtime engine, he is India. Then automatically you can change, assign this case to India queue. This I need to do not manually, automate the process. I need to assign this case owner to respective queue based on the case country. Understand? Then problem will be resolved, right? Why are you first time? I am creating it. In that case, Naresh is the owner. Then Naresh open the contact name. Oh, he is India. Then changing the India queue. That is a manual affair. What is that? Manual thing. It is more effort. Why? Because per day, for example, per day in the Geo, for example, Geo per day, more than 10,000 cases are created in all over India. Every case you are changing to owner and everything, it is not good, right? It's manual effort. It is taking more time. That is the reason this case owner I will assign dynamically based on the contact. What is that? Contact country. If contact country is India, case owner must be assigned to India queue. If contact country is US, case owner must be US queue. How to do that? That means I am assigning the case owner dynamically. I am assigning the case owner dynamically. What is the dynamic condition? If contact country is so and so, the respective queue, you can assign it. In that case, you need to take help from runtime engine. Here, runtime engine, I will create the case. Then you need to go to contact and check the country. If country is India, case owner must be India queue. If country is US, case owner must be US queue. You can assign it. I will not do manually. In that case, we are using one concept called assignment rules. Validation rule, validate the data. Here, assignment, assigning the owner. That is called, you need to write one rule. Which rule? Assignment rule. Which assignment? Case owner assignment rule. What is the concept called? Assignment rule. Understand? What is the concept? Assignment rule. Understand, Chandrika? So in the real time, any case, we are not assigned to particular person. Why? Because that guy is busy or that guy, we don't know. We just assign the queue. Within the queue, who is having the bandwidth, that guy grabbing manually. Understand? But this, oh, what is that? Queue assignment. We are do, what is that? Dynamic way. What is that? Assignment rule. Which assignment? In which object? Case object. So now go to, what is the condition? What is the condition? Contact country. If contact country is equal to, what is that? US. No, Srini. So contact country is equal to US. Then assign to which queue? We are already creating the queue. What is that? US queue. If contact country is equal to India, automatically you can assign to which queue? India queue. So you need to write this rule. You need to write this rule. Same validation rules you are already written, right? Same guys. What is that? Case contact country is equal to US. Then owner should be USQ. Case contact country, if it is India, then owner should be India Q. Problem will be resolved. How? Assignment rules. Set up. Just type what is the concept. See, assignment rules only. How many objects are there? SSI, GN, assignment. See, which objects are there? Only lead and case. Why? Always lead and case come from outside. I am showing the interest. Then I am entering the data. Then lead is created. So that lead is belongs to which queue? I have a problem, right? I will raise the case. Now that case is belongs to which queue? That is the reason in the Salesforce, only two objects having the assignment rules. If you are thinking like that, why? I am showing the interest. I am in US. I am showing the interest. Then I am giving the data. So now who will handle my lead? US people. I am in China. I am showing the interest. I am entering my data. This data will be going to which queue? China queue. That is the reason lead having the assignment rule. Case also. I am creating the, for example, you are in US. You are creating the case. Then that case is belongs to which queue? US queue. You are in Japan. You are creating the case. Then that case is going to Japan queue. That does make sense, right? So that is the reason. What is that? In the Salesforce, this is the interview question. In the Salesforce, which object having the assignment rules? Lead and case. Why? Lead and case is always starting of the business. If there is no lead is come from outside. You need to handle it. Which people are handled? Depending on the particular region people. So that's the reason lead having the assignment rule. Case also coming from outside. This case belongs to which region? Based on the region, you can assign that case. That is the reason lead and case having the assignment rules. In our case assignment rules. Okay, click on it. Standard rule is there, leave it. I will create new rule. Same guys, everything is same. Yes. So rule name. What is the rule name? Case country based, right? Case country based on the case country owner assignment. Owner Q assignment. What is the name? Just meaningful name, guys. Case country owner Q assignment. That means based on the case related country. That means contact country, we are assigning the Q. So meaningful name. Active. If it is active, then only work. Otherwise, it should not work. Active, save it. Now you can add the condition. What is the condition? Click on it. Entry rule. Same screens, validation rule and formula fields is there, right? What is it? List views, same screens, rule criteria. Enter the rule. What is the rule? First priority. Rule number one. Rule number one. First it is checking it is India or not. Then it is US or not, like that. First, any case is coming. First check whether it is India or not. Okay. So rule number one. What is the rule number one? Which object? Which object? Case or contact? I'm checking country. Country belongs to contact. See, contact, mailing city, mailing. You can see here, mailing country. Contact mailing country equal to India, for example. India. Okay. Contact mailing country is equal to India. Then what is that? Select users or group to assign this queue case. If contact mailing country is equal to India, which queue? India customer care queue. If you want this, all the people, if you want to send any email template, you can create the email template and assign it. That means all the people getting the rich text related email templates. You know already. Now, these all are don't require, save it. First rule, any case is created. First runtime engine going to the first rule. What is the first rule? Checking mailing country equal to India or not. The case related contact mailing country is equal to India or not. If it is India, what is the case owner? India customer care. Save and new. What is second condition? Check second rule. Second order. What is second? If India, if it is not India, then you need to check what? Contact. There is a contact mailing country. Mailing country. If it is not India, check it is a US or not. Equal to US. If it is US, first it is checking that guy, the case related contact is India or not. He is not India. Then it is come to the second condition. Second rule. What is second rule? Mailing country equal to US or not? Yes, if it is US, then go to US customer care queue. We have two queues in the real time in my project, guys. More than what is that? 55 queues. Understand? So that is depending on your business. So now see, guys, case country owner assignment rules. What is that? First, whenever you are creating the see, where is the case? Whenever you are creating the case, I am creating one contact, guys. What is the contact name? Ashok. I don't want to add all the details. Ashok K and mailing city, mailing country is from India. Okay, that's it. I don't want to enter remaining. So now Ashok is the contact. Now I am creating one. I'm calling. Ashok is calling the customer care. That guy tells them, hey, what is your name? My name is Ashok. Okay. There is no account, Ashok. He's a direct contact. New, it is the highest priority. It is phone. What is the issue? iPhone screen issue, blah, blah, blah. Now it is saving. Whenever customer care guy click on save. Now the runtime engine, the backend runtime engine is there, right? The runtime engine go to any case related, what is that? Assignment rules are there or not? Yes, case related assignment rule is there. And it is checking whether it is active or not. Yes, active. Then come to first condition. When this is happened, whenever you are trying to save it, it is not saved. Before saving, if you click on this button, this data will not saved. First, the runtime engine come to case having any assignment rules are there or not. If it is there, check whether it is active or not. If it is active, come to the first condition. What is the first condition? The case related contact mailing country equal to India. What is the case? This is the case. Within the case, Ashok is a person. Where is the Ashok? Within that, case related contact. What is the case? This is the case. Who is the contact person? Ashok. Then runtime is going to contact. Within the contact, Ashok contact, what is the mailing country? India. Oh, then contact mailing country equal to India. This condition is true. Whenever this condition is true, what is the owner? India customer care is a owner. Then automatically owner should be changed to India customer care queue. See? Why? Why it is not working? Everything good, right? I will tell you. In the below, there is a checkbox. So many people sending this mail, guys. Please listen and watch the video, then practice it. Here, assignment using active assignment rule. If you select it, then only assignment rules are working. Otherwise, not work. Understand? 99.9% of the mails I'm getting, all the people, sir, whatever you said, it is, I'm doing same thing, but not working. But you guys are missing this. Whenever you are creating the case, the customer care, that guy must be click on assignment rule active. Otherwise, assignment rules are not working. Clear? Clear? For example, this is done. Now one more case. Clone. For example, now Ashok is, what is that? Not clone. Who is that? David. David is US. Now David called to the customer care. That customer care guy creating the David related case. Yeah? No. David FR, DEVID. Okay, sorry. DEVID, David. Now, new case origin is phone, blah, blah, blah. There is some issue, blah, blah, blah. Now, assignment rule. Click on it. If it is saved, now what happened? Runtime engine going to the any case assignment rules are there or not? Yes, case assignment rules are there. And what is the rule? If contact country is US. Then change the owner to US queue. We'll see. David already US guy, US customer care. Automatically we are assigning the respective queue based on the country. In the real time, your client is saying the different conditions. You can add the different conditions in the assignment rules. Understand, guys? This is the concept very frequently using in the real time. Same, guys, to be honest, 99.9% same. Okay, if you don't know this story, it is a little bit difficult. If you are all the people, what is the read this concept, what is the group, what is the queue, blah blah blah, what is the assignment rule, but all are linking. If understand the link, we know what we in which purpose we are using, what is the concept, how to use it in the real time. Okay, any questions, guys? Anybody? What is meant by backflow, mans? I couldn't understand, Srini. I don't know what is meant by backflow. Okay, so any questions, guys, apart from that? How to assignment automatically in the particular queue to user? Man, I already told you. What is that? Assignment rules. In the assignment rules, queue to user not possible, man. If you want, we are going to see the guy is one of the guy is asking, okay, this is the queue. Okay, within the queue, I want to assign some particular person. In the assignment rule already there. If you want, you can assign it, but nobody using directly assign the particular person. Case assignment rule. In the case assignment rule, here see, edit it. Here, what is the assign to? Assign to is a queue. If you want particular user, you can assign user, but nobody using in the real time. Always, that is the difference. Always assign the particular case to queue, not person. Sir, from that US customer care, there are many numbers are there in US public group. Many number. Okay. Who will handle that case? Like one person? Always. That's the reason, guys. In the US customer care, 100 people are there, right? In the 100 people having the targets, guys. You know, right? Customer care, all the people having the targets. Within the 1 month, you need to complete 1000 cases, something. So whenever one cases come to their queue, that guy will be open that queue. Okay, this is the case. This is the case. Oh, this is my queue. Which queue it is? I am in US. Then I have a bandwidth. I have a time. I don't have any queues in my plate. Then I will change manually. Then what is that? I am the owner of this queue. I will handle that and close this case. Once it is done, immediately, what is that? Working. See, for example, here Naresh. Naresh is changed that. Okay, I need to work on it. He's grabbing this and immediately he's changing the status to working. That means nobody does this case. Why? Naresh already grabbed this case. He's working. Done. When he is working, change the status from C. Naresh IT change the case owner from this to Naresh. When so and so time he's working. Nobody grab this case. Why? This is already owned by someone. Understand, Chandrika? That is manual, guys. As a customer care, all the cases are there. You can grab it, whatever you want. No, I don't want to grab it. End of the month, your manager will beat you. Right? Who will do this? Every time, guys, we have dashboards. Ashok is handling how many cases? This guy is handling, for example, per day, your work is 9 hours. Within the 9 hours, how many cases he is handled? How many cases that guy is handled? One manager is there. That guy, what is it? Monitor everything. Okay. Working on records when it is still assigned the queue. Is there any way to prevent a user from working on records when it is still assigned to queue? Is there any way to prevent a user from? No, not possible. Once he is grabbed it, It is not possible. Okay. For example, then there is one more issue. 1 second. Hello. Hello. So, for example, there is one more scenario, guys. What is that? 2 minutes. He is working. Who is that guy working? Naresh. Naresh not able to handle this case. In the real time, there is a groups are there. What is that? Tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. First, that is going to tier 1. What is that? Tier 3. Tier 3 is a, what is that? Normal cases. Little bit difficult cases. These people, for example, this guy not able to handle Naresh. He is, the status is, he is saying that escalated. Whenever it is escalated, it is going to next queue. The next tier 2 queue. Again, you need to write the escalation related logic and everything. It will be going there. We will cover that. Okay. Now that is going to next set of people. These are the more skills compared with these people. Those people also simple, guys. We are already connecting to what about that Salesforce support. In the org, there is some issue is coming. Our code is correct, but org is not working properly. We raise the case. The Salesforce side support people come to the picture. Tier 1 people, tier 3 people. Those people checking that product side. So that guy will not handle. That guy is escalated. That is going to tier 2. Tier 2 people come to the picture and checking it. If those people are also not handled, then it is escalated to some other people. So that is the way of flow. Understand? So that's it, guys. Tomorrow, guys, please check your, what is that, our app, Google Classroom. Today, end of the day, that means before 8 o'clock, I will send a message, tomorrow class is there or not. If tomorrow, why? Because I have a deployment. If tomorrow class is there, it is a online class. For offline, nobody will come to class. If tomorrow class is there, it is a online class. I will send the message in the chat. Okay, our app is there, right? Through that one. Okay, yeah, that's it, guys. One more thing, if you have time, for example, see, guys, you can try that. What is the assignment rule here? What is the assignment rule? First assignment rule, mailing country is equal to contact mailing India. For example, in the contact, someone entered instead of India, IN. Someone entered instead of India, what is that? IN is there. IN also India, right? But validation, what is that? This rule is, if it is India, then only it is fired. But IN also India. That means you need to check mailing country, India or IN as well. How to do that? You can try that. Concept is, but you can apply it. I don't want to tell that. You can try and check it. For example, US, right? USA, US. Someone entered US, someone entered USA. In both the situations, my condition will be success. How to do that? That means multiple values, you need to check it. Understand? How to check it? We can add commas. Yeah, you can try it. I will not give the answer. Okay? Thank you, guys. That's the reason. So India-wise, there is no public. What is that? Different state-wise groups. If you want, you can try it. What is that? Here, you can write n number of state-related groups, queues. Based on the, what is that? State. Here, country-wise, we are disaggregating it. Instead of country, you can use state. State is equal to India. What is it? Gujarat. State is equal to AP. State is equal to Telangana. Respect to Q. Understand? Yeah. Thank you, guys. We'll see you tomorrow, maybe or may not be. That's the reason I told you. Okay? That's the reason I'm telling you. Yeah. So, start.